kind of finding it hard. Maybe I'm the only one. I don't know. I gotta tell you, it's getting harder and harder to find time. And that's what I think the problem is with the fact that I can't even get any videos in here. I mean, I just don't have the time anymore. The question is, am I the only one? I don't think I'm the only one. I gotta find time. I like doing YouTube, I mean, right now, I'm pretty much making a video with everybody sleeping. Literally. That's how bad it is for me to find time. I mean, I'm kind of like whispering, and I don't even know if you can hear me. And, I just had to get something up there. I just had to say what I was feeling, today. And I figured, let me just turn the video on, turn the phone on here, and start recording. And maybe something will come out of it, And I'm just finding it harder and harder and harder to produce content. And I want to produce. I enjoy this, and I think it was important for me to right now make this video to let everyone else out there know that just like me, I know they have a problem. They can't find time. Time is definitely the most important asset in anyone's life. And, I'm realizing it, that you just gotta turn the camera on and film, and just be raw, just do it, just press record, because you're not gonna find time. And with me, I don't have a lot of time. And I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there, content creators out there that don't have any time, have very little time, worse than me. And I said, you know what, I'm going to put a video up there. It's going to be terrible, probably. It's going to be just me speaking off the cuff. And I had to do it. I just had to do it. That's one of the reasons why I have not been paying attention to my YouTube channel. A busy lifestyle is, and I have a great, good lifestyle. It's good life, but it's so busy. And I think what I'm going to do going forward is just try to put content out. And I've said this before, and like very little editing. Throw a thumbnail up there, and just put content out there and try to motivate people to create. That's my goal. I want to create and create and create. And I'm trying to get to the point where even doing these videos like this, just out of the blue, where I can just get on, get an idea in my head, go with it, record, and get it out there. Because I just think that YouTube is great. I've enjoyed every step of my journey as a content creator, and I'm nothing. I got less than 1,000 subscribers. My views are ridiculously low, and yet I still do it. I get a kick out of it, and think that if you enjoy it, I think it'll show, and I think it shows in my videos. I mean, the few subscribers and people that have commented and have talked to me said that they say I'm very natural and that they enjoy it. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be as much as myself as possible. And I think that's what it is about YouTube. It's about you being you without the gimmicks. I think that's how it started back in 2008 or something. And I think that's what Google or YouTube's trying to find now. They're trying to push new creators, new channels, channels with no subscribers, and I think it's a good thing. I think I'm seeing it in my YouTube feed. I'm getting a lot more new YouTubers coming up like me, and I'm checking them out. I'm subscribing to them, I'm commenting, and I'm really getting a kick out of it to see all these people doing just things that they want to do, like stuff that no gimmicks, no big editing, no. Just like vlog, old school vlogging, and I think it's I find it very enjoyable, and I find it very motivating, and that's what I hope I can do now, is try to motivate people to create. And I'm gonna obviously do other things on my channel like I originally did, maybe some finance advice and opinions and stock opinions and stuff like that. Stuff I like in my own life. Maybe share how I invest again. I don't know, but this is definitely a different time for me. I definitely am. I think I'm enjoying it even more because I'm not stressing as much. I'm just trying to get a video up there. I'm doing it from all different places, and I'm doing it all different times, and people are sleeping, my family's sleeping, and I'm doing it in my car, and I'm doing it as quick as I can, and one day I'm gonna explain how quick I get a video up, and maybe that'll be a good video, but I just wanted to come here, start recording tonight, just to make this video and let people know that just I get it, and I know I'm not the only one that has a problem here, and I get it. Time is tough, and you gotta make time. Make time to create. If you enjoy it, make time to create. Just put it up there, get it going, and see what happens, And I think you might get results. If you don't, at least you have it in the, you have the archives of it. It'll always be there, basically, and that's pretty cool too. So on that note, I'm gonna say goodnight because I gotta go to sleep. But subscribe, share, comment, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon.